How to use a TFAR radio. First, you will press Ctrl P to bring up the menu. You'll see I have a preset frequency of 51. This is a AMPRC152, which is the radio we will mostly be using. To set your frequency, you can either press Ctrl to clear the frequency, where a bar to enter your new number will appear. We will set the frequency to 52 and confirm by Enter. If you want to set an additional channel, you need to change your channel using the previous and next channel button right here. We'll go to channel 2, which is currently set to 83.6. We will set it to 52.1 and confirm. Then we'll press the Set Additional Channel button. You will notice C2 changing to A2, and it also coming up as additional channel down in the bottom right corner of your screen. Once set, you will go back to channel 1. You can then call onto the additional channel by pressing T as transmitting on the additional channel. When setting additional channel, it is very useful to set your stereo settings for channel 1 and channel 2 so you can have them in different ears. That you can do by pressing this 0 button on your radio. Currently we are on channel 1, so we are changing stereo settings for channel 1. By clicking it, you will see that your channel 1 is now changed to left only, as shown in the bottom right corner. If you click it again, it will go right only, and clicking it again goes left and right as it was before. For the purposes of this, we'll set it to left only, and then we'll change to our additional channel by pressing the plus button and clicking 0 twice to set it to right only. You can see additional right only right here. And now when you're receiving your radio comms, you will hear your main channel 52 in your left ear and and additional channel in your right ear as 52.2. Job done.